model, 2014 Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6 TDI 102 PS DSG Trendline automatic needs clutch. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 148,114. MOT, the 21st of October 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Transmission, front-wheel drive automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. So we suspect there is an issue with the clutch on this, as soon as you put in gear it stalls. Don't think it's anything electronic, as there are no fault codes whatsoever. Should just be a simple clutch change job, but who knows. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, reversing camera, electric windows, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.